Hi all, good day wherever you are. I am Pat, สวัสดีค่ะ Patharawarin Sidanoi. I am an interpreter in training, pursuing my master degree in interpretation at Chulalongkorn University. My interpretation focuses on Thai English interpretation across art, culture, and social context. So from weddings to memorials to social events, including community workshop and also exhibition. So personally, to me, interpretation isn't just about transferring words, but it's more of building understanding and emotional clarity between people, culture, and ideas. So that being said, whether I am interpreting for heartfelt, weddings or press interview, my goal is always the same, is to make communication feel natural, precise, and deeply human. So if you're watching to this point and if you would like to know more about my work or book a session, you can find my CV, contact, and also rate list through this link. Thank you for your time and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Bye.